Hey guys, welcome back to New Zealand. It's been a real busy week at work. I've just managed to take Friday off, have a bit of a day out and get out and about and do a bit of stuff. The weather is kind of crystal clear in Napier, and then looking out to the hills where I'm heading, there's a lot of cloud, and that's where I'm kind of heading because I want to go up to a little place called Tongoio Falls and Tiana Falls. And basically it's a nice little place, but unfortunately when you get harsh sunlight, a bit of an exposure nightmare. So I'm hoping when I get up to the falls there's going to be a nice bank of cloud overhead, which is going to make lighting nice and soft and pretty good. It's around about 1:15 p.m. It'll take me maybe 30 minutes to get up there, 25 minutes to get up there, a bit of a walk through the bush, and then we'll probably just go to Tiana Falls, which is the first falls you come to. They're about 20 minutes from the car park, and that's for me, they're the better falls. Beautiful falls. I don't know, because I'm using obviously my little Fuji, and I'm not sure that I'll be able to get the whole scene in, because the falls are quite high. I can't remember how high, but they're quite high, and I can't remember on my fixed lens if I can get the whole falls in. If not, I might have to try a bit of a pano, but we'll see how that works. Anyway guys, let's get on the road and head up to Tongoio Falls, and we'll see you soon.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum, that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by.
Well, the walk I'm doing today, I'm just going to do the Tiana Falls, which is probably, I think it's about, it says 40 minutes from the car park. It's nowhere near that. I can do it in 20 minutes easily. Even though I've got a bad knee, I knocked my knee up a few months ago on a bit of a climb, and unfortunately the bloody thing's still playing up. But I don't complain about it, I just get on with it and deal with it and suffer in silence, the way I do. But Christ, it hurts. Anyway, I've got it all strapped up, taking a few painkillers and a few anti-inflams, and I'm going to take a nice steady walk up the hill. But I don't mention it, I just get on with it, you know what I mean?
I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of a silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.
So this, guys, is the beautiful Tiana Falls, Tongoio. Absolutely stunning little spot. Late autumn afternoon. This is pretty bloody nice actually. Can't argue with this at all. The difficulty I face is going to be trying to get a shot of the whole falls. With my, so as I thought, the slight problem I'm having is that my lens is not quite wide enough. If I get further back, I can can get the falls in just about right in a horizontal orientation. But to do that, I've got this bit of an old dormant tree which kind of encroaches on the scene a little bit. I kind of like it actually, it doesn't really bother me, but I'd rather have a clean shot of the falls. So what I've done, I've kind of spun it round into a portrait orientation, and I can get the whole falls in then. The light's perfect actually, nice and overcast. We've got a bit of blue sky in the distance there, that's not bothering me, and it's quite nice here, just nice and relaxing, chilled out. I've got the place to myself, which is kind of unusual for this little spot, making for a nice bit of me time. So as you can see guys, there's not a lot of room to work with around here. It's quite closed in, and unfortunately I can't really get a nice clean shot of the falls from a distance. I like to get a horizontal shot from around about here, but unfortunately, as you can see, we've got a big stupid tree in the way, which is not ideal. There's a shot along the stream here, but again, this tree's encroaching it. I mean, if I had a bit of a chainsaw on me, we'd be laughing in no time, but that probably wouldn't go down too well. So we've got to work with what we've got. So I'm working really hard to try and get a shot here. I'm using this rock in the foreground, kind of shooting through that rock towards the next rock, which has got a bit of foliage on it, and then into the waterfall itself. I think that's giving quite a nice shot, but I'm just clipping the top of the waterfall at the minute, which for me isn't ideal. I prefer to get the source of the falls in if I can. So it's just a case of walking back a little bit, inching back, and trying to keep this tree that's behind me, that bugger, out of the shot, because it is kind of encroaching a little bit and it's kind of just annoying me a little bit. But I think it's going to work. I think I've got the shot that I want. As you can see, I'm hard up against this branch, this fallen tree. I could probably get the other side of it just to give me a little extra little bit at the top and the bottom of the frame, but I think it's just about working nicely.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum, that's kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got sent ovations on his dick. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.
So I think that's about it from here. I managed to get a few nice shots. I had to work quite hard for that. I didn't have much space to work with. So it was a case of slotting in around the bush and trying to make it work. I've taken a couple of vertical panels as well. So I'll stitch them together, see how they look. On the back of the camera, they look pretty sweet. In reality, time's going to tell. I'm thinking I might just get a shot. We've got the stream that runs. Oh shit! The stream from the waterfall kind of runs along here, and we've got a little bit of light hitting this now. And I'm thinking maybe it may make a shot, but I'm not sure where. It's going to be tricky to get down there and get a shot, but I'll work on it. So I'm just making my way back to the car, and I passed this scene on the way here. And to be honest with you, it'd be rude not to take a photograph. And again, to be honest with you, I think it's probably one of my nicest shots of the day. Probably going to be my last shot of the day. And I'm going to make my way home.
Like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.
So that, guys, was Tiana Falls at Tongoio. Quite enjoy shooting waterfalls, quite relaxing. Hope you enjoyed watching this, guys, and until next time from New Zealand, Ka kite anō. Have a good one.